Michigan pay more for auto insurance than in any other state, with premiums the highest right here in Detroit. But there's a new proposal on the table in Lansing that could actually change all of that. The Now Detroit's Saima Chowdhury is live along the lodge. All right, Saima, what would this new legislation do?
Well, this bill would repeal Michigan's no-fault auto insurance system altogether and replace it with a full tort one, which is an at-fault system. Now, we spoke with one attorney who specializes in auto law, and he says he could see the pros and cons of this bill.
Michigan has clearly, indisputably, the best insurance system in the nation. But it's also the most expensive.
Attorney Steve Gursten specializes in auto law. He openly supports Michigan's no-fault insurance, but understands why many would want to repeal this 45-year-old system. The bill introduced in the State House is being supported by 6 representatives, including State Rep. Lana Thies. On GOPHouse.org, she states, "For decades, we have tried to reform no fault, and those attempts continue to fail. So now it is time to just eliminate the system altogether."
You've got people that just say, I can't afford it. Half of Detroit is driving without auto insurance. It's costing the state in so many other ways.
If the no-fault system turns into an at-fault one, Gursten says one of the biggest pros is more affordable car insurance. The biggest con, he says, are those who are victims of serious car crashes.
God forbid you're in a terrible, terrible car wreck and suffer a catastrophic injury. The quality of medical care you're going to receive and your access to care is going to be better in Michigan than anywhere else in the country. And because no fault pays for life, for all necessary medical care, it's an incredible benefit.
Nearly 40 states use a full tort system. Good driving record or not, Gursten says he still wants the coverage from a no-fault system.
Just like that, your life can change dramatically whether you're the best driver in the world or not.
Nationally, there are 12 states that have no-fault insurance systems, but Michigan is the only one mandating unlimited medical coverage. Florida is also considering repealing their no-fault system. I'll send it back to you.
Simon, do we know of any states that have had no-fault insurance but then repealed it?
We know that Colorado did. They repealed their no-fault system in 2003, and studies have shown that since they've done that, Colorado drivers have seen about a 35% decrease in their premiums. But supporters of this bill say Michigan drivers could see greater savings than that. So only time will tell, and if this bill passes, then we'll know.
I guess so, right? And that saving money would obviously come at another cost for some people. So it'll be interesting to follow up on. Simon, thank you so much for the live report.